Libra people, hi! Hmm, tignan natin yung sa inyo, okay? Ano ba meron sa mga Libra? Okay. The Purge, okay. Yun pala, naka-center, di ba? So, Libra people, ang kulit ito. As always, we need balance, di ba? Ang masasabi ko lang, for those single, parang, para sa mga single to na Libra, do not over-compromise. Okay? Do not over-compromise, and at the same time, do not rush. You need to check first yung kabuuan ng tao na for singles, okay? Yung kabuuan ng tao prior to jumping into a new relationship. All right? Same with people na coupled na medyo tired na sa relationship. You need to check first yung kabuuan kasi baka may mga hindi kayo alam and you subject yourself like tumalon na lang kayo sa separation, which is mangyayari yan dahil sa Mercury retrograde nga. So I want you to be resilient when it comes to your relationships. Okay? As for your professional career, uh, I'm sensing an offer to some. Uh, there might be an offer, like a temporary offer that could give you a financial boost. So malaki din yung possibility na it could be outside of your job or outside of your normal job. Okay? Um, ano pa ba? Uh, right now, dahil doon sa sinabi ko na may kinalaman din sa career, I guess it has something to do with you being magnetic with season. Okay? You being magnetic with season. And being magnetic, it doesn't necessarily mean na puro positive lang yung ma-attract nyo. You would attract negative people too, or negative situation. So I want you to focus on the things that you think na magbibigay sa inyo ng benefit compare sa mga bagay na hihigupin lang yung energy ninyo palabas. Okay? It's your energy, protect it.